And out of the diatonic scales is where chords are built. And, and the musical formula in the diatonic scales is whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. That's a whole different subject. And out of the whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half, chords are built. So like a major chord, and how the intervals are separated using the whole, whole, half from the diatonic scales, it is based on a number system. So the first note. So the reason why a major chord may sound bright is because it has the first, it has the third, and it has the fifth interval, right? Minor, the third is a step back to a flat. Now, what's my point for mentioning this in music? In art, what you notice in art is, in order to illustrate or elicit three-dimensional, the optical illusion of three-dimensional on a two-dimensional surface is really conducive to shades, different opacity, excuse me, of light and dark. So with music, a C chord may sound bright. In art, light tends to make an object pop, and darkness tends to ground the object.